Hi everyone, so today we'll learn how to download and install Ollama on your Windows operating system. As you can see, currently I'm on google.com. So let's type here Ollama and search for it. It will be your very first website. So simply click on the link. You can see the domain is ollama.com. Now here we need to click on download button here on the top right corner. Click on download for Windows. Save the file. So you can see the download has started. The size is around 1.8 gigabytes. So we are done with the download. Now you can click here to open this file, or you can click on the executable file that is inside the folder. I'll click here to open it. Let's minimize the browser. Now click on install. So after installation, you will get this sort of an interface. Let's maximize it. Now here you can pick a model of your choice to download and install it. But I'll pick a different model, so I have to go to Ollama's website. Now here you need to click on models. On this page you can find all the models. You can pick any model of your choice, but I'll go with the smallest possible. So I'll go with SMO LLM. So this is the model that I will install. Now here I will pick smallest possible size. In my case, I will go with this one. Simply copy it. Now you need to open a command prompt. For that, press Window key plus R key on your keyboard. Type here CMD and hit the enter key. Now here you need to type Ollama, run, and paste what we copied. So it is Ollama space run space the model name. Hit the enter key. So you can see it is installing the model. Now we're done with the installation of the model. Now you can simply press Control key plus D key on your keyboard and close this command prompt. Now here in the Ollama UI, click here and search for SMO and you will find the model. Select that model. Now type your message. Let's type hi. Hit the enter key. Great, it's working. Now let's ask, what is solar system? So you can see our model is working absolutely fine, and that's how you can download and install Ollama on Windows operating system. See you next video. Have a nice day.